how to remove someone from a Discord. So they are being annoying or they are spamming stuff on your chat and you want to remove them, this is how you do it. First of all, you need to go to your group. So I have a group right here. I'm just gonna tap it. And as you can see, a person right here is spamming all of these stuff. So in order to remove them, what you can do is tap on the group right here at the top. And you can see all of these members right here. And in order to remove a member, what you can do is tap on their name. And once you tap their name, you can see all of these options. Just scroll a bit down, and from here you can see an option to remove from group. Simply tap on it and they will be removed from the group. As you can see, only 2 members are here on the group now. The member has been removed. As you can see, the group in the group chat, it is also shown that you have removed them from the group. And that's how you remove someone from a Discord group. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.